Hey everyone. So I just did a video showing you how I mix my background paint, and it was a yarn pole painting, but the white had silicone in it and I didn't know it, so the flowers came out really silly, so I'm going to redo. So that video, if you want to watch it, is on my Facebook page. And that way you can see what happens when there's silicone in your white, and also how to mix the background paint. I don't want to go through it all again. My hand's still sore from mixing, so I'm hoping I have enough here to cover this 16 by 20, and we're going to give it another go. Alright, so we really got to make this work. Maybe I should spatula it first. Make sure I get all this covered. This Purple Lake paint is from Creative Inspirations. I have bought almost, I think 13 jugs of paint from them. They're 1.8 liters, which is about, let me look, 60.87 ounces. That's a lot of paint, and I got them on sale for 12 something. They're normally $19.99, and even at that price it's not bad. It lasts you a long time. So if you're looking for something to have available all the time and not be buying tubes all the time, that's definitely the way to go. And I've done quite a few paintings with them, and the colors are absolutely beautiful when they're dry. It works just like any other paint. Alright, so I have that on there. Now I just got to see if I can tilt some of this without losing it all. So I have, in my white, I have mixed in some iridescent medium from Artist Loft. It's so pretty when it dries. It's like a super, super fine glittery effect. When it's in the tube, it's white, but when it dries, it's more of a silvery, clear look. Pearlescent, I should say. It's very pretty. And I've been loving using it, so I've been putting it in colors here and there just to give it a different effect when it dries. And I'm sorry you can't see me doing this, but it's a big canvas. I can't help it. And I've been such a dork today on these videos, so you guys will be having some good laughs, I'm sure. I'm in rare form. My friend Sharon was here yesterday, and I was teaching her how to pour paint. And then today she came over for a perm, so I gave her a perm this morning. And you know how bad I want to paint on Tuesdays on my afternoons off, so I'm kind of shooing her out the door. I'm such a great friend, aren't I? You know how it is when you want to paint, guys, right? Leave me alone, right? So that's pretty much how I was. I'm a bully. Alright, so that edge is covered. Okay. So now we're going to pull some strings. Huh. That was funny. Pull some strings. On my last video that I did this on, which is on Facebook, I cut the strings really long. So I'm not going to go quite that long this time, because it took forever to get them out of the cup, and they were taller than me. And my paint this time is thicker, and it does not have silicone, so we should be better off this way. So the painting that I have sitting here that's full of cells, and I'll post that picture on Facebook, will be getting donated to someone who wants it. Oh yeah, they're still long. Okay. Darn it, I dripped already. That's okay, I can pull it off of there. Okay, it's done. I fixed it. Okay, these I'm pulling down. Pretty. And I'm going to have to pull this other one towards me because I need to see where I'm going to line it up. On the last video I did 3, and I have this one over far enough, so I'm going to do another one here, and maybe this one I wanted it to be more flowery, so I think I might be able to fit 2 more in there. We'll see. And I am using yarn because I found that yarn loads the paint better than the string does. The paint actually sticks to it better than my string did, so use whatever you want. The chunky yarn would be fun to play with because it's even wider. My husband has not given up on his little idea of the clothesline yet, so next time they have canvas on sale, he's probably going to buy a big canvas just so I'll try it just for him. If he had an office at work instead of a cubicle, he could take it to work and hang it in his office. Okay, caught that drip before it went on there. And on the other video, I did zigzaggies. You get pretty much the same, I gotta move this forward, pretty much the same effect as if you make the loops, so. Gorgeous. Okay, so now what do I want to do with it? Got that of white there, so I'm getting rid of the white. There. I think I'm going to put, I don't want just the 2. It's just too plain. I might do 3 shorties right here. So let me find my end of my yarn again. These would be great for Mother's Day's gifts. And, you know, springy, and it's purple. It's not the Pantone purple of the year, but it's purple. Okay. I'll pull that one right off. It's definitely messy for your fingers. So if you're new watching my channel, go ahead and subscribe below and click on that little bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. We like comments. Gives us more ideas. If you have an idea and you want me to try it, you can reach me through Facebook. We can discuss. And on Facebook, just look up Christina Welch Art and you'll find me. I get lots of messages. I love it. I love corresponding with y'all and helping you paint mixes and finding the airbrushes. And if you live in another country and you don't know what kind of airbrush to buy, show me what you have available for shopping and I'll find one for you. You don't even have to waste your time. I've got time to look. There. And that's it. I'm not putting any more on there. It's pretty pretty. So, there you go, guys. Isn't it purty? She's purty. So thanks for hanging in with me. Definitely go check out the other video. Let me see if I can bring it over and you can actually see it. I can't switch spots because I have no more room on my drying table. So I'm just going to slide this over and hope I don't drip on it. I got lots of sparklies on my fingers from the iridescent. Let me grab it. This is what happens when you use silicone in your white. I like it much better without. So there's your difference right there. And since you're all still here, you're still watching. Oh, if you're still watching, I'll show you some dried ones. This is the Payne's Gray. Dried beautiful, very shiny. The iridescent is gorgeous. So I love this, love this, love this. I'd like to do this on a, like this size maybe, or even bigger, with the yarn. And this was the other Payne's Gray with the seamless pearl. Dried gorgeous. The nice smoky effect on the edges. It's just beautiful. So, thanks for joining me, guys, and this will be the last video before I paint again next week. So you're probably watching this on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, somewhere in there. And I'll be up to painting again on Tuesday. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.